Here the first type is type 1. For a given f of x by g of x, here if g of x is non-repeated linear factor, this g of x is non-repeated linear factor. So for example, if it is 1 by x minus a into x minus b, we can write this is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. This is the partial fractions for this type of non-repeated linear factor in the g of x. Now type 2, here for a given f of x by g of x, if g of x is repeated linear factor, so this we can write here. For example, you take this is 1 by x minus a square. This square represents the how many times it is repeated. See here, number 2 means this is 2 times repeated. So this format we can write a by x minus a plus b by x minus a square. So this 2 times repetition will comes here. 2 times repeated. Now coming to the type 3. So in this, for a given f of x by g of x, if g of x is here irreducible quadratic factor, that is we can say ax square plus bx plus c. If that g of x contains such type of equation, then we can write this one here ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. Now for the type 4, if it is for a given f of x by g of x, if g of x is irreducible repeated quadratic factor, ax square plus bx plus c, here this irreducible repeated quadratic factor means it is repeated means here to the power 2 here we are taking, so means this is 2 times repeated, means here we can write this one ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c, and next cx plus b by ax square plus bx plus c whole square. So this 2 times repetition comes here. So this one 2 times repetition. If g of x contain irreducible repeated quadratic factor, then we can write in this format. So these are the 4 types. By knowing these 4 types only, we can solve the partial fraction.